we'll guide you through how to install Krita on your Windows computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and head to the Krita official website at krita.org. Once you're there, you'll see a big green button that says, Download Krita now. Click on that button, and it will take you to the download page. Here, you want to make sure to select the version that's compatible with Windows. You'll see an option for a Windows installer, which is usually the best choice for most users. Click on the Windows installer link, and it should start downloading the installation file automatically. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and find the Krita setup file. Double-click on it to start the installation process. A security prompt might appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You should click Yes to proceed. The Krita setup wizard will open, guiding you through the installation process. Click Next to continue, and then read through the license agreement. You need to accept the terms by clicking the checkbox that says, I accept the agreement. Then, click Next. You'll be prompted to select a destination folder for Krita. The default location is usually fine, but you can change it if you prefer. Click Next again to proceed. You'll then have the option to choose which components to install, but it's usually best to leave everything as is and click Next.